All right, so this knowledge check goes back to the Ames, Iowa housing data. And what we want to do is we want to fill in the blanks in order to ordinal encode the overall condition variable. So there is a variable within Ames. It's called overall condition. This is the overall condition of the house. We can see it ranges from very poor to, it looks like this gets up to excellent. So we want to ordinal encode this since this variable naturally follows some kind of a hierarchy of values. Now, we also want to use the neighborhood variable, but what we want to do is we want to lump all neighborhoods that represent less than 1% of observations into an other category. So if we were to take a look at this, we actually can see that we do have some neighborhoods. We have a total of 28 neighborhoods, and we do have like Green Hills here where there's only 2 observations. If we look at a few others, Landmark, there's only 1 observation. So we have some neighborhoods in here that are not well represented. And so what we want to do is just take those neighborhoods that have very few observations and lump them into a single other category. All right, so to do this, I provided you the levels within the order for our condition or quality variables. So we know that they range from very poor all the way up to excellent. Now we need to fill in these blanks in order to apply that. Well, the first step we need to do is convert our this overall quality condition variable to a factor, because right now it's a character string. So we could go ahead and do overall condition. Let's make sure I got that right. Overall condition. And we want to convert it or have be a factor that contains certain levels. We've specified the levels already in this LVLS object. And we do want to say that this is ordered. These are ordered, in fact. All right, so this is going to convert that variable into a factor. And then now we can go ahead and say, well, we want to ordinal encode that, which is going to change from these ordered factors levels into a numeric representation, 1 up until what we have 10 values here, so it'll be 1 all the way through 10. All right, so that's going to take care of the overall condition variable. Now what we want to do is take care of this neighborhood variable and lump those rare values into a single other category. And so I said we want to use the value 1% to be that cutoff. All right, so what we're going to do here is we need to specify neighborhood, and my threshold of interest is going to be 0.01. That's 1%. And we are going to convert all those that don't meet this threshold into an other level. So if we go ahead, we can apply that. Oh, it says Ames recipe not found. Let's see. Oh, and that's because I need to create my recipe. This was assuming I already had a recipe. So if I do recipe, and so now sale price is a function. I'm just going to have it be a function of these 2 variables of interest, overall condition plus neighborhood, and data equals Ames train. There, now it ran. And now we have a recipe that ordinal encodes the overall condition variable, and it lumps the neighborhood variable.